I went out with my Osmo Pocket and two microphones in order to test the difference between recording in mono and recording in stereo. And I was a little surprised by the results. This is mono with one DJI mic. This is recording in mono. And now we'll switch to turning on two mics and getting stereo. And this recording is in stereo. Clearly there's a difference, and here is another stereo segment. This is switched to stereo. So let's look at the setup that I use with the second mic. It's here underneath this little carrying case for the mic. There's a little cold shoe attachment that I can clip on that second mic, and then I turned it upside down and just slid my device onto the top of it. And I have my other one on my collar. So I got the sounds plus the voice.